G'day folks, so today we are going to do some testing of the stabilization on the new GoPro Hero 7 Black. Now one of the new features on the Hero 7 Black that GoPro is really pushing is its stabilization capabilities called HyperSmooth. So we're going to put it against the Hero 6 Black and we're going to see just how much better it is. Now one of the nice things is that it does stabilize in 4K 60 now, whereas the Hero 6 Black you could only get stabilized footage at 4K 30. Now to keep things as fair as possible, I've got the GoPros mounted in the GoPole Triad. I'm also going to be recording at 4K 30 for both cameras because the stabilization, like I said, is only available at 4K 30 for the GoPro Hero 6 Black. So without further ado, let's get at it. After watching the video, it's quite obvious that the Hero 7 Black does have much better stabilization. It's actually quite good, and it's really incredible when you think about even a few years ago with the Hero 5 Black, which did have some kind of form of stabilization built in. It wasn't very good, so you can see how much stabilization has improved from the Hero 5 to the Hero 6, now to the Hero 7, and GoPro is calling it a gimbal killer. Now, whether that's true or not, or just marketing tactics, who knows? It definitely is really good, and I can see a lot of people doing away with the gimbal in certain situations. Now, that's going to be my next test coming up. I'm going to be doing a comparison of the Hero 7 Black handheld and the Hero 7 Black mounted in the Phaotech G6, just to see what the difference is. Well, folks, that's it for my video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because we do have some more Hero 7 Black videos coming up, including a 1-week kind of initial impressions video. Might be useful for those who are on the fence about buying the Hero 7 Black. That'll be coming in a few days, early next week maybe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next one.